Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix .NET framework error on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So let's get started. So when you're facing this type of problem error on your PC, first you need to restart your PC. So .NET framework is work in your PC to protect your to run your application smoothly on your PC. So this is the work of .NET framework. Okay, so now you can try the next method. Now you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open your Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings guys, first you need to update your PC. Go to Windows update. If the update is available, simply go ahead, update your PC. Okay, after updating, hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. So press Windows key button and then here you need to search turn Windows feature on or off like this. Okay, and open it. Now here in the box you need to uncheck this all boxes. Check .NET framework services. Okay, just uncheck it, all these boxes, and then click on OK. It will turn off the .NET framework feature on your PC. So after turning it off, it will ask you to restart your PC. Just restart your PC one time. After restarting, open Windows feature option once again on your PC, and then you need to re-enable it once again. Just check this all boxes showing .NET framework services and then click on OK. It will once again ask you to restart your PC. Just restart your PC. It will enable .NET framework services once again on your PC. After this guys, it will fix your error on your Windows 11. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, so you can try the next method. Now you need to troubleshoot that problem. Open your Windows settings once again like this. In the Windows settings, from the left panel, go to system. In the right panel, scroll down and find out troubleshoot like this. Go to other troubleshooter and then scroll down, find out program compatibility troubleshooter. Just you need to run this troubleshooter on your PC. Okay, so just follow the on-screen instruction and troubleshoot your issue. Okay, after this guys, close the settings and restart your PC one more time. After restarting, let's see it will fix your issue or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the last and final solution. Right click on this PC icon from your desktop, go to properties like this. In the properties guys, open advanced system settings and go to advanced tab and then click on environment variables like this, and then you need to check the value of temp and tmp. Just select it, click on edit. You need to enter the value as it is showing on your screen. Okay, and then click on OK. Same, you need to check the temp value, click on edit, and if the value is changed on your PC, just need to enter this value showing on your screen. Okay, and then click on OK. That's it, and restart your PC one more time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. So still, in case you are facing same type of problem, one more bonus method is this guys. You need to install the .NET framework from the Google. Okay, so this is the last and final solution. So comment down below which option, which method was worked with you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.